Okay, go for it.
Alright, so I'm putting in my address. Okay, do you have a phone number at this address?
Just skip that.
I guess it's a no. Okay, so there are two ways I can connect. One is Optus ADSL 2 Plus, and the second is Optus NBN is coming. And they should be ready by the 11th of December. So then I choose my preferred option below, compare the plans, offer online. I'm feeling a little bit lost from here on, so maybe it's because of the screen size, maybe it's doing it on here. But sort of kind of going back down to basic bundle, then big bundle, entertainment. So not really sure if all the prices and the bundles are actually the same for both the NBN and the ADSL 2 Plus. And the only difference is just the date. So I guess I probably will be interested in the bundle. So I'll be probably interested in the ones with Fetch TV. So it will be the $95 per month one with unlimited data, standard local and national calls, and Fetch TV. So I'll go choose plan. Entertainment bundle, ADSL for my address, yeah. $95. Wi-Fi modem is included. So you're not sure how this is different to whether we're talking about ADSL 2 or we're talking about NBN here. So if I go next, need a caller's phone. Just need a different cost for the phone. Guess I don't need a handset. So next, Fetch TV is included, optional entertainment extras, power line adapter, is your television in a different room or long distance from your broadband modem. I guess then it would be good if I know right here what is considered a long distance from the modem. Like is it a meter, 5 meters, 10 meters, etc. But I guess I don't need that. So, nope. Do you have an existing phone service and or broadband service? Yep. Do you want a service you're ordering today to be a replacement? Yep. If you provide a phone number to indicate the line that should be transferred to Optus. On the phone line you want to transfer, do you have any so-called complex services? Nope. So next, do you have an Optus mobile plan? Yes. Let's go next. So I've got the summary of the cost, so $95 plus startup fee, $125 with a credit back. Total per month is $95, which includes the modem, entertainment. Yep. Terms and conditions. When NBN is available, your address Optus will operate you to NBN. Okay, So that answers the question. Authorize office to transfer cables. Yep.
Okay, so just pause there for a moment. So this shopping experience so far of adding service, how easy has it been to understand?
It was easy in terms of the flow of the look at the information and then progress along with the process. The only thing that as I was calling out is at the beginning it was a little bit. I was a little bit confused around the ADSL Plus versus the NBN, whether we're still talking about which or, and really just understanding if the distinguishing difference between the two is just around the date on when it's going to be ready. That's the only thing. So apart from that, I think it's quite self-explanatory. It's quite easy.
So now that you're on this page, what's
Yep.
your impression of what you're seeing in front of you now? The shopping cart.
The maximum number of Fusion products that can be purchased has been exceeded. Not sure what that means.
Is it? What message is that?
The maximum number of Fusion products that can be purchased has been exceeded.
Okay, so that's actually good that it's come up.
Right.
So we'll just take a screen grab. Oh no, you'll grab that anyway. But what's happened is because you had the previous person, we needed to clear the whole experience, and they added something to cart. And so because we hadn't cleared that from cart, this has now put too many things in the cart at once.
Okay.
However, the fact that anyone could do that, you could add something to cart to see how much it costs, and then go back and look at another one and add it, and then you'd get that message, and because you didn't understand what that message meant, maybe the wording on that,
Okay. All right. So if you just give your impression of, okay, so that's a scenario that you did add too many things. How clear is that to you?
Not very. So this reminds me of when you sometimes book air tickets online,
Right.
and you pick an itinerary that seems like the one that you want, and then you to actually get into the detail of it, you sort of get forced to add it to cart. So then if you go back and pick something that is of a slightly different time, for example, and you want to look into it, it doesn't let you. It makes you have to, it forces you to actually clear your cart and then do the search again. So that's annoying, but that's quite clear of why you can't do it.
Yeah.
With this message here, however, I'll just look at it and go, what does Fusion product mean? And why has it been exceeded? And I'll probably just don't bother and turn it off.
Right. Okay.
So I get impatient with these sort of things,
Yep.
and I wouldn't want that. It's not a good experience.
Can we go further again on this? Give it a try.
I'm going to remove. Well, let me have a look.
Yeah.
It might give me the option to remove something from cart.
Okay.
Yeah, because all it says is call this number, and then if I'm someone who is doing it online, you want to try and avoid calling somebody.
Yeah.
And so when it tells you to call somebody, you're just like, yeah.
Let's
whatever.
just quickly grab that though, because there is an error in that SQ result, so I just want to grab it on camera. Yeah, it's overlapping copy. Oh, we've got
We've got the camera.
This
and
thing records anyway, doesn't it?
Yeah. We're recording now.
Yeah.
We're getting our voices. Just so you know.
Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to remove this from cart, but I think it's going to remove what you've chosen.
All right. That's okay. Maybe we just. How much time have we got? Can we just quickly go through it again?
Hang on.
Now that Tatiana knows the journey, she can just.
It's gone right back to the beginning, so...
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, great.
But I can go back through and choose that.
All right. Do you want to just quickly?
Yeah, I'll do that. So,
Sorry.
No,
Go
that's
cancel.
okay.
Go cancel something.
I'll just go through. I'll just grab that address though. Okay. What did you choose for? Do you have an existing phone service?
As in the broadband service?
Actually, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yes, I chose yes.
Okay. Okay. Did you choose the bundle and save $10 thing?
Yes.
Yep. Then did we get to this?
Yes.
Okay.
So we need to get the
So we won't
summary
continue
page.
on that?
Yeah.
Cool. I think that's next, isn't it?
Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so that's the T's and C's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Whoop. There
Okay,
we
there you
go.
go.
We're in this page, and then.
Yep.
So now that error message is gone, what's your impression of this page?
So entertainment bundle over 24 months for my address, entertainment bundle, startup fee, and then my credit, equipment, accessories, there's nothing. Yeah, it's quite clean.
Okay. And if you just continue on.
Yep.
Okay, so on this page that you've landed on, without filling in the form, but
Yep.
pretending like you would,
Yep.
give the impression of this experience, how you find it.
To email, we typed the email, personal detail, delivery address, identification.
How are you feeling about that?
It's not. Is it not supposed to drop down? It is a bit funny to have to show your driver's license for an online shopping kind of experience. But I guess it just needs to be called out a little bit clearer on why this is needed, I suppose.
Okay, what did you just do then?
Oh, I
You
try to do this and then it brings
Yeah.
up. Oh, right, okay, there we go.
So when that came up, what did you think subconsciously that was?
It just doesn't, it's not dropping down.
It's just not dropping down.
Yeah.
So the box at the bottom is just a nuisance. You don't really register what. Yeah. Okay.
I thought this is not working.
So right. So do you get a blindness to that bottom part?
Yes, maybe because I'm not an iPhone user, I don't know.
Okay.
So I don't normally use an iPhone, so that's
That
very,
doesn't-
very unfair, but
no, that
I sort of ignored it.
totally doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Like, if it's intuitive, it shouldn't really matter about the device.
Yeah,
It should
it's
just be
more
clean.
intuitive if it actually has a drop-down box.
Right.
You can just pick one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then I guess you type in your license number, that's fine. But shouldn't it go straight to number? I don't know. It would be clear if it's a number pad or something.
Yeah.
And then you choose the state. And again, once you get that, then that's fine.
Right. Once you learn the
Yeah.
interaction. Yep.
We'll call you. Yes, I've understood. You agree that identification details you provided will be checked. Yeah.
Okay. So with this page in mind,
Yep.
would you be confident to proceed with your order?
It will be. So it will be. I will be more confident if there is a summary page that says you are about to actually submit and get charged and get changed and or whatever to this.
Mm-hmm.
I guess the only thing is this doesn't actually ask you for any details on your credit card or anything like that. So I'll be okay with that to go place order. Then I assume that the next checkout page would then ask you for credit card details and things like that.
Okay. All right. Do you have any questions?
Not really.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's all.
Okay.
It doesn't ask